Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a real quick review on these beautiful eyelashes. It is by the brand Havoo. I think that's how you say that. I will post a link in the description box down below where you can purchase them along with the price, and if I can find any discount codes, I'll also link those as well in the description box down below. So we'll get right into this. These do sell on Amazon. I think they were like $20 to $30. I know it's in that price range. And it comes with 6 beautiful eyelashes. These bottom ones and these top ones are like really, really dramatic. Like really not my style. These ones, they're just like really, really big. Like really big. And then there's these ones. So those are the ones that like are kind of more dramatic. And then these are the ones that are like, these are probably like the most subtle ones out of all of them. And they have these ones. And these ones as well. So I'm going to get right into this. I'm going to put on the more subtle ones so that you can see what these ones look like. And then I'll put on like a dramatic pair as well. And just kind of show you the difference. I'm just going to bring this in a little bit so that you guys can see. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this one. Okay, so it slides open. That's pretty cool because you can actually reuse these cases with other eyelashes that you buy. You will need some tweezers and some eyelash glue and scissors just in case you need to cut it. So what I like to do is I grab them and I measure them to see like about how much I have to cut off. I would say just like a smidge on the eye. So I'm just going to take off the corner. About that much. Which is like a really small piece. But everybody's eyes are different. You may not even have to cut them. And I'm going to put some eyelash glue on them. I'm going to let that get tacky. And these are reusable as well. You can usually use them like 10 to 20 times. I like to wash my lashes and then I can even use them longer than that. And how I like to place them, I like to look down. Kind of place it on the center. Connect the end. Okay, so that is what it looks like. And then I like to get the end of my tweezers and I like to push down onto my own lashes to get it to as close to the lash line as possible. Just like so. So that is what the first lash looks like. These are very thick, like very thick, which is good because it means they'll last a while. So that's probably the most subtle one out of all of them, which is still probably really dramatic to most people, but this is like something that I would wear every day. Like, I don't even care. It just brings out the look, you can see. So now I'm going to try on a dramatic pair on this eye so that you can see what a more dramatic eyelash would look like. Okay, so out of these ones, I think I'm going to go with this one just because, wow, that is an eyelash. I don't know what that's going to look like. It's kind of scary. I've actually had pairs like this before, and I never actually wore them. But everybody is different and has their own preference, and just a little too much for me. But I have seen women wear these, and it actually looks really, really pretty. And this is like a side glance of that eyelash. Kind of get you an idea. Okay, so I'm going to trim this one as well. This one I want to trim a lot. This is a huge eyelash. Like, it is massive. Oh my Lanta, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? So I'm just going to cut off a whole chunk at the end. Like a whole lump. Something that's good about the end pieces, you can actually keep these and then just glue them individually. Like if you're wanting to just add some volume at the end, you add a couple like that and it'll just bring out your eyes. So keep that, because with two of them you're going to have enough once you cut the other side. But we're just going to get into this and try this one out. This eyelash glue is a little, still a little sticky. I'm actually not going anywhere today. I'm just doing a real quick review on these. I did get them sent to me for free to review, but I would have bought them anyway because I really do like lashes. So now you just wait until it gets tacky. Okay, same thing. I'm going to look down. Place it in the center of the eye. Hook up the ends. This time I'm going to use the lash. This one's always harder for me to do. Okay, I'm going to have to bring this forward for a second. I think this one would look really pretty with like a really dramatic eyeliner. Like a really big wing. Like again, I like to pinch it to my lash. Did get some glue up here, so I'm just like scraping off the glue. Put that a little higher. Got some glue right there as well. Okay. So that is what that lash looks like. It is huge. I mean, it's massive. Like you can't even see my face. So you can see compared to this side. That is a lash. That's like all you see on my face is a lash. That is insane. And I see girls rock these all the time. This is like, yeah, it's something that I could probably never not personally wear. Yeah, this one I really do like though. I wonder what the other ones, like these ones aren't going to be too much different than this one. These are going to look more natural. These are like the kind that I normally wear. But like I said, this one is going to look like this one, just like not as thick. And then this one is just going to be more full. These ones would actually probably be really pretty as well. Just like a little longer like that. But yes, they're like really good quality lashes, as you can see. I would have to fix up my liner just because I use black glue. I usually use clear, but I ran out of clear, so I use black so you can kind of see it. Because I had like blue eyeshadow as my liner today. But they're like, those are some lashes. Considering how full these are, it's really not weighing down my eyes like dramatically, because I've had eyelashes so heavy that my eyes like this. So considering how like literally how big they are, I mean, they're hitting my brows. They're really not heavy at all. They're about the same as these. But yes, I'm gonna have to try to wear these one day just to wear them. And wow, that is like party lashes right there. Like, they're so pretty. You can see the difference. I mean, they're pretty. Kind of like them. The more that I'm wearing them, I'm starting to like these ones even more. That is so crazy how big they are. But yes, I'm going to be wearing these throughout videos, so I'll keep you updated on how I like the rest of them. These ones I really do like so far. Like, I don't have any complaint. Like, even these ones that are more dramatic, like, they're kind of growing on me. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Comment down below what you guys think. Which eyelash do you like more? My right eye or my left eye? I don't know if it's right or left on your side. But this is my right eye. This is my left eye. So comment down below what you guys think. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.